In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to warp images in Adobe Express. We'll walk through setting up your workspace, bringing in your image, and laying down a simple shape that you can use as a visual guide as you prepare to warp. Even if you're new to Adobe Express, these steps will get you comfortably oriented so you're ready to shape and stylize your photo with confidence. Start by opening the Adobe Express app on your computer. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're signed into your account. Being logged in ensures your project autosaves and that you have access to your assets and libraries, which is especially helpful if you switch devices later. Once you're in, look to the left side of the interface. You can head into your stuff to work from an existing project, or you can jump straight into a fresh canvas. For this tutorial, choose Start New Design. This creates a clean space for your image. When the new design opens, you're ready to add content. On the left sidebar, click Add Content. This is your hub for bringing in images and other assets. From there, select Media and then choose Photo. You can browse your computer, select from cloud locations, or grab an image from your library. If you already have a sample photo handy, you can simply drag it into the window as well. Both uploading and drag and drop work seamlessly. Choose a high-resolution image if you can. Higher quality gives you more flexibility when you apply transformations without losing detail. Once the photo is in your canvas, you'll see it placed right in your design, ready for adjustments. Next, we'll set up a simple guide that will help you plan your warp. Click Add Content again on the left. This time, choose Element. Elements are basic shapes and graphics you can layer over your image to map out composition or define areas of focus. Select Rectangle from the options. When the rectangle appears, drag the shape onto your canvas. Position and scale it so it outlines the area you intend to emphasize or reshape. This rectangle serves as a visual boundary or guide, helping you judge proportions and alignment as you work toward your warped look. Even if you prefer a looser style, a consistent frame keeps your distortions intentional rather than accidental. That's it for the setup. You've opened Adobe Express, signed in, started a new design, added your photo, and placed a rectangle element to guide your composition. With these pieces in place, you're in a great position to proceed with warping and creative transformations inside Adobe Express, building on a clean, organized foundation.